What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Steam app configuration unavailable error and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the task manager. We have to go over here, search for the task manager, and we have to click on this one. And right now, once you get into the task manager, we have to expand this. And if you find the Steam is running here, right click on the Steam, go for end the task and make sure the Steam is not running in the background. Still, if the Steam is there, just go over here and you can see the Steam, right click, and you can see that you'll be having an option for exit the Steam, or you can get into the Steam, or you can completely close the Steam. Once afterwards, go to the file explorer. Now from here, you have to navigate to this PC, go to local disk C, go to the program file x86. Now from here, what we need, just keep scrolling down and navigate to the Steam. Now from here, you have to navigate to the Steam apps. Now not the Steam apps. If you get into over here, you'll be able to find app cache. Just get into this, and over here you'll be able to find a file named appinfo PDF. So select this one and go for the trash icon until later. Now once afterwards, close this and go back to the Steam, launch it once again, and you have to check. Next one, go over here in the Steam, right click and directly navigate to the settings, and from here navigate to the downloads, and from here the first and foremost step, you have to change the download region. For example, you might be from India. So if you're already in the India, you have to change the country region, you have to change it, and once you completely change it, you have to check. Parallelly scroll down and navigate to the clear download cache and do this as well. Once afterwards, you have to check, and most probably they should be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.